In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your money with Notion by creating a finance dashboard. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool, and by the end of this video, you'll have a personalized dashboard that streamlines your financial planning, making it both efficient and effective. Let's get started by opening Notion and creating a new page. Name this new page Finance Dashboard. This will serve as the central hub for managing all your financial information. Once you have your blank page ready, it's time to start setting it up with various links that are crucial for your financial management. First, let's add a link for your budget. Consider this your starting point, where you plan how much money you can allocate to different areas of your life over a month or a year. You can create a separate page for your budget, detailing your income streams and fixed expenses, which will help you determine how much you can spend on other categories. Next, you'll need a section for expenses. This link will help you track what you're spending and where it's going. On the expenses page, you can list your daily purchases and expenditures, categorizing them to see at a glance where most of your money goes. Keeping this updated regularly provides valuable insights into spending habits and areas for improvement. Another important link is for your income. Here, you'll list all your income sources, detailing everything from salary and side hustles to passive income streams. Keeping a thorough record of your income helps in budgeting and financial forecasting. Now let's move on to savings goals. This is where you map out short-term and long-term financial goals, such as an emergency fund, a vacation, or a new car. By having these outlined on your finance dashboard, you'll stay motivated and on track to reach them. Consider setting up progress bars or checklists to visualize your savings journey. The next link is for bills and subscriptions, a section where you manage your recurring expenses. Listing out all monthly bills and subscription services with corresponding due dates ensures timely payments and helps avoid late fees. It's also a great spot to review what services you may no longer need, helping you cut unnecessary costs. The sixth link is net worth. This is a more comprehensive overview where you account for your assets and liabilities, ultimately showing your financial health at a glance. Regular updates here provide a high-level view of your financial progress over time. Finally, don't forget a section for financial notes. This is a place for storing thoughts, advice, or insights you gather, perhaps from books or financial experts that can guide your economic decisions. And that's your finance dashboard in Notion. With each link tailored to specific areas of your financial life, you'll be better equipped to manage your money effectively. Take time to explore and customize each section to fit your unique needs, making this tool as beneficial as possible for your financial journey. Thank you for following along. Remember to subscribe for more helpful guides, and to feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.